Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying why Windows 11 started in safe mode and which safe mode variant you're in. That matters because fixes differ. Once done, save work and ensure your laptop is on AC power so an interrupted update doesn't corrupt files. Next, sign in with an administrator account. You need elevated rights. Open settings right away or prepare to access system configuration. These initial steps remove delays and let you act immediately to restore normal boot behavior. You now change the boot configuration so Windows stops forcing safe mode. Open Run, type msconfig, and in the Boot tab, clear Safe Boot, apply and close. That adjusts the boot flag. Alternatively, open an elevated command prompt and run bcdedit/deletavalue current safe boot to remove the safe boot option directly. This is faster for advanced users. Once you make the change, restart the PC to test normal boot. If boot fails, you will return to troubleshooting steps. After rebooting, confirm Windows loads normally and apps function. If you still land in safe mode, inspect services and startup items. Malformed drivers or entries can retrigger safe boot. Make sure to uninstall recent drivers or updates that coincided with the issue, and consider a system restore point to roll back changes. If those options fail, reset this PC or perform a clean install as a last resort. Keep backups. One tip: if troubleshooting stalls,
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.